I'm
recording. I love cats. Everything cat related is good. Everything not cat related is bad. Do you agree? Are you with me, Marston?
Can I try? Can I try that? Can I try that?
Marston, wait. Give me a. I'm really good at lasering. Dave's looking up at the camera. Wait, give me. See, I told you. Oh, that wasn't recorded. Dang it, I missed the camera. Wasn't facing it. Dada, can you do it?
Do what?
Hold the laser so Dave plays.
Sure.
No, I can do it.
Oh, Ron has his eye. Show Ron. I'm zooming out.
Yeah. Can I try? Can I try?
Yeah, let Gus try. But here's the thing, Gus. You weren't here when I said this. You cannot point it at their heads or anybody's heads.
I know.
Okay?
Can I try, Mars?
You know that?
Gus, no, don't do that.
And you don't want it
You
to
get
go
it
all
out of
over the
control.
place so they won't actually do it. See, that's too close to his head. Yeah, you keep it
Camera's
on the
recording
ground.
of the laser looks super cool. Gus, don't jiggle it like that.
What'd
Kinda
you say,
keep it-
Jax? The video of the laser looks cool?
Yeah.
No, let's go.
Gus, stop. We're actually trying to get the cats to play. It's literally on him. Bruh,
I'll show you.
Dada's doing it.
Okay.
No. Let me do it for a sec.
I love this.
Now can I try?
Oh, cats are so good.
Too close to his head.
And this actually looks
Wait, put the cap on the laser. Put the cap on the laser, guys. Put the cap.
Why?
'Cause,
Oh, on the USB key.
yeah. Ooh, Dave's interested.
Excuse me. Can I try?
Put the cap on, Marsden.
I forgot.
This video is just gonna be like a bunch of cats on lasers. I'm gonna make a it's just gonna be really long, and then I'm gonna delete it from the camera though, and then I'm gonna post it on YouTube, and then like it's gonna be hilarious. If you want to watch cats for 30 minutes playing with lasers, then you're here
Wait,
and you're ready.
Oh, wait. I see his retractable claws. Ready to pounce on it. Oh.
Dave might be done playing, or not.
Can I try? Now
It's better when I don't do it because I'm holding the camera. No, Gus.
Can I try now? Can I do it since you can do it whenever you want?
Well, you can't really because it's my stop,
What's his
Gus.
face there?
Gus, can you please not go there? Because it's hard to record when you're there. I'm gonna zoom out.
Oh my god.
Dave is just like a black bump. Gus, don't get close like that. I keep telling you that. It's so annoying because like I have to move the camera. Dada, can you do it? You're really good at getting the cats to play. Try Ron.
Is this Ron?
Yeah, that's Ron.
Ron
Ooh.
must be way older.
No, they're the same age.
Well, more mature, I meant. Yeah,
and he's less
playful.
Ron can be playful sometimes.
You go, Dad. Yeah, but he's still less. Can I please still less?
Yes. Watch out for his face.
Get another toy. Get the balls that we got him for Hanukkah.
Got it. Wait, where are the balls? Where are the balls?
Dada, can you show
Are
Marsden?
these the balls?
No, those are Kush balls.
That's
Where are the balls? Dad, where are the balls?
Gus, that's in his face. Come on. Look what you're doing.
Where are the balls?
Which balls?
The balls we got for Hanukkah. For the cats.
I
Remember?
don't know.
From
No idea.
something kitten.
Dang it. Alright, did you finish?
No, I didn't end it. Still going. Oh. Ron's playing. Ron's playing. Ron's playing. Yes, sir. Marsden, can you back up? There we go. Ron's
Are
gonna
we
play.
trying to not get my head?
Yeah. We don't want to get him.
Oh, don't do it on the chair, Gus, because they'll scratch the chair.
Don't do it that high. It's literally on the ceiling. Whoa, no, Gus. Where's the laser? I can't keep track of it. This camera's small. But it's really good. It has so much storage.
Oscar has one of these.
Ooh, Dave. Now you're the one playing again.
Can I try?
Jiggle it like a little. Go back up from his face.
Yes, can I?
Wait, no, give me.
I can do it.
I'm doing stuff. Okay, you go.
Both of the cats are not that comfortable right now. I'm thirsty.
Sometimes the cats just don't want to play. Dada, can you look for the balls?
No, I cannot. You can.
But I'm holding the camera.
Can you? I can film. Can you take this?
No.
Why do you need the ball?
Because
You-
Ron is really into balls. Ron
You just want
loves
to get
them.
the cat to play.
Yeah,
we're doing a whole video on cat playing.
yeah. Just get whatever you can to get them to play.
Should
All
we
we
make
want is
cars
for
zoom
cats.
around?
Lol. Yeah. Oh my! He did it. That was so funny. Lol. You're really good at
He's
making it
getting
look
ready
like
to
a bug.
pounce.
No, he's not. He's just sitting there. Get it in the middle of the target. Bet you can't. Nice.
We should get a Do you have any bottle caps? They have corks. Okay, that'll do.
Oh my god.
We just need some string and a cork and
Oh,
something
yeah.
I can put the string on.
Just any toy you can find, get.
Okay, get a cork.
Gus, can you get our secret stash of toys? Do you know where that is?
They don't freak out for anything except the lasers.
Oh yeah, and the balls.
Where the secret stash of toys?
We have a secret stash of toys.
Here, I can film.
I think
You,
it has
you will look for the
No,
ball.
no, they
I
don't.
think he's done.
Dave might be done.
He's done playing.
Everything in our
Goodbye.
house is cat. Look, there's a Dragon Gene slipper. Oh, but Ron might not be. Nope, Ron's just getting over there. Whoa. Wrong mode. We have 3 modes. Mwahaha.
I'm gonna see if I can find the balls. Where would they be, Jackson?
I don't know, but they're green balls with like tails of string-ish stuff. Gus, can you help Marsden look?
There's feathers.
Yeah, there's feathers. Yes, that's it.
the one.
Give me. Ronnie.
I'll look for more of those.
Ooh, Ron loves those. Yeah, there's one more. It's green, though. The part that's blue is green.
See, but he's
I'm
really
gonna
just looking for the
try.
laser. This is what they used to do when you played.
Mine.
They just look for the laser for the
Ronnie.
next half an hour.
Ronnie. Oh, you did? Yeah, Ron likes the green one a lot more. I don't know why. Yeah, it's crinkly. Wait, let me show you. Ronnie? Ron? Crinkle, listen to the crinkle. Dada, stop. Stop lasering so I can get Ron's attention. Ron. He's like, should I or should I not?
I think you should. Run. Choose.
I got it.
What?
Ronnie?
Choose.
Ronnie. Ooh, Ron sees a car backing up. Ronnie, run. Ronnie.
That's Mars.
Ron, ready? Ronnie.
Are you ready?
Okay, he's not ready. Ron doesn't want to play right now. Try the laser again. Where'd Dave go? Oh, he's over there. Dave. If you can get Ron to play or something, you're lucky. Let me see. Can you grab the green ball?
How long have we been filming?
I don't know, like 6
17
minutes.
minutes.
No, 6 minutes. No, that's a countdown. That's like a countdown to, like, it's the room that's left.
See, now he wants to play.
He wanted
He does?
to play.
Ronnie,
He pawed me.
ready? Ready? Ronnie?
Yes. No.
He's like a rebounder. Sometimes he just wake us back up. Sometimes he just
No,
like,
when I just shaked it, he pawed me.
Ron's not.
Yeah, he might be done too. His threshold for playing is pretty.
Low. Except that one night when me and Mama were like, oh!
He batted it.
Maybe not.
That's a long video, Jackson. What are you gonna do with it?
Ron's just kicking that paper.
Post it on YouTube. Boy.
Boy, boy.
That was good. Ron's pawing at you. Wait, give me it. Got it. Ronnie?
Things that cats do. This calls for your weird things that cats do.
No, this is gonna be the cat and human life. Cat kind plus humankind equals ...
Canat
Stop.
kind. It's canat kind. Cat and human equals human.
Cumin is it's a spice. Ronnie. Nah, Ron doesn't want to play. I'll focus back on Dave if I can find him. Where are you, Dave? That's not Dave.
My Dave and me.
Where's Dave? Is Dave in there, Dada?
Yeah, he is.
Okay, I'm coming.
He's just sitting there.
There you are, Dave. Dave's like, bye. I'm out.
Your ball.
Nina, my kitty, and I. He's waiting for food. I think food's soon. Is it feeding time, Osmoon? Gus, back up. Is it time for food yet? Gus, back up. Gus, up. There. Oh, it is feeding time. Ron's gonna whiz by. See? Ron came, he didn't whiz by, Gus. Feeding time. Yeah, this is just gonna be like a day in the life of kitties or something. A day in the life of kitties. This is a day in the life of kitties. That's what I'm gonna call it.
Oh, is this like the machine?
Yeah, it's the feeding thing. Mama's home.
Oh, hi.
I'm gonna title it A Day in the Life of Kitties. And then at the end I'm gonna add a subscribe animation.
Kitty.
A day in the life of kitties.
Okay. We just think here. Cat food or dog food?
Cat and dog.
Yeah. The cat food is like anything. Dog food is disgusting.
Cat food is meat. Cat food is just plain meat. Literally, that's all it is. Ron, I wonder what happens if you pet a cat while they're eating. Okay, that's not. Never mind. I won't pet you while you're eating, Ron.
One. No, one.
How long does it take cats to eat their meal? They're eating like super slow. Well, I guess we take like half an hour to eat. Not that long.
More like 17
15 minutes.
17.
Why be so precise?
17. 19.
We have a water fountain for the cats to drink out of. Stop, guys. And a water bowl. A day in the life of kitties.
A day in the life of stupidos.
Why do you say stupido so much?
What's wrong with you with stupido?
This isn't famous quotes from Luca. This is a day in the life of kitties, Gus. So get out. It's not a day in the life of Luca.
Burn. Roasted.
You mean roast? You got roasted. Oof.
Instead of saying burn.